Okay, radio, welcome to this lesson on geometrical construction for grade 10s. And again, regardless of your workbook, there's going to be valuable steps for you to take note of. So two things here, they've given you a quite complex looking drawing that includes a lot of inscribed and exscribed circles. Nee, jy sien hier 'n klomp circles wat insluit en uitsluit. Nee, if we just take any one of this radius 40, alright, and you would have completed that arc, for instance, then you can see that there's a circle, if I would have completed this one just for the sake of the drawing, and that one. Do you see there? So, the moment that you look at the drawing in that manner, is there anything new here? There's nothing new. We're just applying over and over the principles that we've learned prior to this. Okay. We need to show all constructions in this drawing. So again, you can't take a guess of where they are. The advantage for you guys is the fact that they've basically given you all the internal details here. And so if I zoom out and you just keep with me, let's have a look here. Okay. So you have to take a moment to just identify what is what. If you look at that big circle, if I look at that on scale 1 to 1, that's a radius 30. Okay? And so there's that one. Okay. Kom ons kyk gou na daardie sirkel daar. Dit is 15 en dit is met ander woorde die buite sirkel. Nee, the inner one is radius 10. This one here, it's also the one outside radius 20. Okay, so a lot of the initial parts of this drawing has already been done to you. You have to complete basically the outlines and of course then bring out your external lines, jou duidelike lyne. Okay, so ons gaan nou begin deur gebruik te maak van wat gegee is hier op die tekening en gegee is hier. And we're going to see if we can get this drawn. Luckily here is quite a number of information that's already given. So let me take you step by step. Let's start here on the pink and the yellow that I've already mentioned. So we have here the first radius, that is radius 20. Yes or no? Yes. And we have another radius of radius 20. And I'm working with center points. I'm going to be using these centers. Happy? Okay. And so I've got a radius 20, I've got a circle that is excluding. You with me? The yellow circle here is excluding. Uitsluitend, is dit optel of aftrek? Duidelik en uiteindelik. So ek gaan radius 20 plus 40 is 60. Yes of nee? Okay, and it's going to be the same for both of them. Radius 20 here, radius 20 there. So I'm going to set it here. Same on this side. Okay, I'm confident that all of you would have probably been able to do this first step. Am I right? Daar's niemand vir my wat vir my sê meneer, nou weet ek nie, want ek het nog nooit dit gedoen. Okay, daar sy raak hy. And if you're confident with that, you can draw that one in nice and dark. Okay, so the first arc done and dusted. Let's leave the ones that's given, we'll do that at the end. Let's go to the next one. Now we have again a radius 20 plus a 40, because if you look at this arc, it's again excluding, and the only difference is on the other side, it's got radius 15. So I'm going to go back to radius 60. I'll do that one first. Okay, daar's my radius 60. Dis nou vir hierdie van die middelpunt vir daai boog. Okay, en dan die sirkel hier op die buitekant is radius 15 plus weer daai 40 is 55, duidelik en uiteindelik. Okay. And now I'm going to set my, that's also radius 40 of course. So before I draw it, I'm just going to check it. There it touches. And right there on the outside it touches. Happy, we're moving forward. Okay. Alright, what about this big arc here? Wat van hierdie groot? Did I give you a radius for this one? Okay, help me out. I want you to figure this one out quickly. Almal gou. Luister gou almal. Jy kan nou geteken het, maar luister gou vir 'n oomblik. Where do I get this radius? Because it's not given here. Daai groot boog daar is nie gegee nie. What do I have to take note of? Help my uit. Wat moet ek oplet? Mooi so. Hier's 'n senterlyn met 'n punt. En kyk bietjie daai centerline. That centerline goes through both of these centers. Okay? And so if I would take my compass, I can double check it. But I'm sure that will work out. Alright? And so if I now set my... I'm going to need a bigger... I don't think this one is working. Okay, I'll fix that now. But this is going to be the center for that arc over here. Okay? Let's see if okay, my compass can't go any bigger. Is there a way for me to hack this? If I didn't have, let's say I didn't have another one. How would I hack it? Let's say that's the furthest that I can go. Alright? If I put it on this point, kyk gou mooi. Draw arc, set it on this point. Draw an arc. I've just adjusted that a little bit. You think that will be acceptable for the exam? Definitely it will be acceptable. Okay, just for the sake of, I'll give you marks for just figuring it out. Okay, there's the inner one. Happy? Okay, we'll do the outside just now. Let's go on to the next one. Is there anything new here? Is it insluitend of uitgesluit? Hierdie en hierso is ook uitgesluit, nê? So ek het radius 15 plus 40 is 55. Man, I'm not even thinking with this drawing. I'm just going for it because I have gained confidence through doing my homework. Yes or no? I have gained confidence by not giving up in previous drawings. So now I'm smacking it. I'm drawing with confidence here. Nobody can tell me otherwise. I am absolutely smacking this drawing because I have confidence in my steps. Okay, so you can see how important it is to draw, people. Right, the last one here on the end, which is a straight line. Raak lyn daar sê. Okay, on the outside. Right, so the outside has been done. We can quickly go in and just complete a different. Okay, on the inside there's a radius 20. You can use please use your compass. Mine can't draw the small circles anymore, so I'm just going to, that's a radius 20 here. This one here is a radius 15. Sorry, radius 10, so that's also small. Kom. Okay, are you with me? Alright, you can finish off the rest of this drawing very easily. Last one is this circle here. Let's quickly do that. That outside is radius. And then what is the last thing, if they didn't do it for you, what is the last thing you'll always do on these kind of drawings? As hulle dit nie vir jou gedoen het, wat gaan jy moet bysit? Center lines, people, the center lines, center line, okay? Luckily for you it's given, so no strain, no stress. Rightio, that is, if I just double check, okay, what, oh, there in the center, I'm still missing some. Okay. Alright, that can be nice and dark also there. Rightio, so that is your 416 and how to apply the knowledge that you've gained up to now. Make sure you are one of those that draw these drawings with absolute confidence. And the way you're going to make sure of that is by drawing. Can anybody else do this for you? Nope, no way. It's your responsibility. Rightio. Thank you for watching.